This is a quick walkthrough tutorial on link shorteners. Link shorteners are used when you have a long link, like from a website that has, .com slash this, .php slash this, question mark, etc. And it gets really long. And the length is not good because nobody can write it down, nobody can follow it, and the characters take way too much space in any ads or posts that you want to. So there's many different link shorteners. We use Bitly. Bitly is bitly.com. It's free, and you sign up for an account, and once you do, you would come to a screen that would look like this. So let's just say you are on a website and the link is this length here. So this is a shopping site, and you see that the link had question marks, had PHP, etc. You can't use it that way. So you would copy the link, paste it here. I did create. Paste that full link in. It automatically shortens the link to a Bitly link with an like arbitrary ending here. They just pick a mix of numbers and letters. Now what you can do is go down to this section, customize back half, and then you can create anything you want, unless it's taken by somebody else. So you just make it up. I'm going to call this, let's see, shop. Okay, it looks like it took it. Actually, that was, yeah, save check. Okay, so save. And now the link has been edited and created. This is your new link. You copy it, and then you can use this. This is the link that you would use in an ad. This is the link that you would use in a post. And I keep track of these on a chart. I'll keep the main link, the long link, and the Bitly link together on a line so that I'll know what I can use and where I can use it, and that they refer to the same thing. So I hope that's helpful. There are other link shorteners like Pretty Links for WordPress and a couple of other ones. The one we like is Bitly because it's just free and super easy to use. So hopefully that gives you a great tutorial, and this will work for you for your projects. So if you are link shortening, you're probably doing something with digital products and promoting yourself. And if you find that you're trying to piecemeal this on your own, or just struggling trying to put everything together, we definitely would love you to be able to reach out to us. So click on the link. We always provide them to be able to find us and grab some free materials, get to know us a little bit better, or reach out to me to schedule a quick clarity call where we can kind of go over your situation and see if there's a fit. Maybe we can work together, which would be great. Okay, thanks.